Hello and welcome to the Technocrats Design and Job Consultancy. I am your teacher for mechanical design. It is a tutorial for CATIA V5 assembly design. You can see on the screen the assembly of pipeways is shown. All parts are constrained with each other, and now we will create a new assembly by using individual parts. So let us start. Go to start menu, mechanical design and assembly design. Okay, new assembly design workbench is open here. Now you can change the name of the assembly. By default it is product 3. You can change, right click, go to properties and type here pipe voice. Okay, now assembly is pipe voice. First of all we have to insert all individual components of pipe voice. So for that, go to the command existing component. After clicking on this command, you have to specify on which assembly you have to enter all the parts. So after that I will click on this pipe voice. So now file selection box is open. There are 6 parts already modeled in my PC. Now select all parts and click on open. Okay, now all 6 parts are open, but now you can see here all parts are merged with each other. You cannot see individual. So first of all you have to separate, you have to change the positions of the parts. For that reason you use the command explode. Okay, this in the selection box product is already selected. Which product? Pipe wise product. So click on the OK. Now warning is shown, you are about to modify product positions. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, now you can see all parts are separated. Now it is easy to constrain and reposition all the parts respected to each other. So now we are starting. First of all you can see the base part. Which is the base part in this assembly? This is the body. So first constraint you have to apply is fix to the base, and here is the fixed component. Click on the tool and click on the part. Now you can see the symbol. This body is now fixed. You cannot move this body. Now you have to apply the constraint to the individual parts with respect to this body. So first, the middle shaft is here. I have to coincide this middle shaft axis with the axis of this body. So use the command coincidence constraint. Click on here. First click on the axis of this shaft, middle shaft. Then click on axis of this body. Okay, it is constrained. Now update all. Now I have to manipulate by using this command manipulation. I am repositioning this middle shaft and positioning and moving it upward direction. So in z direction, move this part in upward direction. Click on OK. Okay, now manipulate this middle shaft downward approximately. Okay, I move up to here. Click OK. Now for temporarily hide this body, so right click on the body and hide. Now I will assemble remaining parts. So this jaw will fix bottom side of this middle shaft. So first you have to coincide this axis and this axis. So use coincidence command. Click on the axis of this jaw, then click on the axis of this middle shaft, then update all. Now I have to manipulate this jaw up to this middle shaft, but up to a position when the bottom side of this middle shaft and this inner side of this jaw touches each other. So for that reason, first I have to on this stop manipulate on clash on this command, then go to manipulation command and check this option with respect to constraint, and in Z direction move this jaw. Okay, it stops up to a position where both parts touch with each other. Okay, keep this position and okay. Now I have to reposition this pin into this hole. Now quantity is only one, I need two quantities, so use the command fast multi instantiation. Use this command and click on this part. Now you can see two parts are available, two quantities are available. Now first of all, you have to coincide the axis of this pin and axis of this hole. So use coincidence command, click this axis and click this axis. Again use this command, click this axis and click this axis. Now update all. You can see both pins are coincidence with the hole, but the position is not correct. This position is correct and this position is not correct. You can see that the position of this pin is not correct. The face should be opposite. For that, use the manipulation command. This is the Z axis. I have to rotate this pin around Z axis. So rotate approximately, click on OK and update. You can see now the position is correct. So after that, use manipulation and on this check with and along y direction move this pin. Okay, now you can see carefully that this pin touches with this shaft, and at that position the color of the shaft changes to the orange, the borders of the shaft changes to the orange. See carefully. Okay, so at the position when both parts touches each other, leave this pin. Also same with this pin, leave at this position and click on OK. So up to here our assembly is complete. After that the handle and two stoppers are remaining. So this handle is coincidence with this hole. So use coincidence command, axis of this handle, then axis of this hole. Okay, update all. Now manipulate this handle in y direction approximately. Okay, now we need two stoppers. So use this command fast multi instantiation and click on this part. Now you can see two stoppers are available. Now these stoppers should coincidence with this handle. So use this coincidence command. Select the axis of first stopper and axis of handle. Again use same command. Click on axis of second stopper and axis of handle. Okay, now update all. You will realize that both are coincidence with each other, but you can see only one second stopper is showing, first is hidden. So first stopper is not hidden, it is inside this part. So temporarily I am hiding this middle shaft. Okay, you can see the part is here. Now approximately manipulate both stoppers in y direction. This position is correct and this position should be reverse. So for that reason, temporarily I will rotate around Z axis this stopper. Okay, now again update all. Now you can manipulate this stopper up to this. Okay, finally the face of this stopper should coincidence with the face of this handle. For that reason I am using offset command, offset constraint. Carefully click on this face, topmost face of this stopper and the face of this handle. Now what should be the distance? Distance should be 0. Offset is 0. Click on OK. Update all. Now you can see both faces are coincidence. Apply same procedure for this second stopper also. Use offset command. Click the topmost face of the stopper and the face of the handle. The offset distance is 0. Enter 0 and OK. Then update all. Okay, this assembly is also complete. Now what was our hidden part? Middle shaft. So unhide this, and first we had hidden body, so unhide this body also. So finally our this part and this assembly is complete. Now hide all constraints, and for better preview apply the colors. I'm applying for this body this color, for this handle, for middle, for this handle white color, for this stopper black color, this stopper is also black color, and jaw is dark brown, and middle shaft is this color. Okay, the part is complete, our assembly is complete. This is the assembly for pipe wise. I hope you understood complete process, and also there may be some problem while assembly, different problems for different students. So if you have any query, please comment. Any problem, please comment. I will try to solve it and suggest a specific design you want. Finally, like this video, subscribe our channel and share it as possible. Thank you.